Hi there, and very welcome to my Simple Affiliate Machines review. It comes with a special bonus page which comes down at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, November the 6th. So, Simple Affiliate Machines. Today you have the chance to get access to Simple Affiliate Machines that will fill your pockets with up to $283.65 per day. So what is Simple Affiliate Machines all about? Simple Affiliate Machines are the easy way for your customers to get going in affiliate marketing. They will get 15 funnels that they can use straight away to start making money on Warrior Plus. Prices and upsells. Front end, Simple Affiliate Machines, $12.95. Upsell number 1, Simple Affiliate Machines Pro. It's $37 with a downsell of $27. Upsell number 2, Monthly Money Machines, $14.95 a month. Upsell number 3, Training Calls and Email Access, $77 with a downsell of $57. Upsell number 4, Reseller Rights, $97 with a downsell of $67. Upsell number 5, Complete Done For You, $697 with a downsell of $497. Quite some price, but we will see what they have in store for us. Front end, Simple Affiliate Machines. Access the powerful Simple Affiliate Machines software and training modules. Upsell number 1, Simple Affiliate Machines Pro. 10 more complete funnels you will have access to. Upsell number 2, Monthly Money Machines. 4 new funnels every month. Upsell number 3, Training Call and Email Access. Unlimited access to Ryan Mack's personal email address for 6 months and an hour coaching call. Downsell number 3, unlimited access to Ryan Mack's personal email address for 6 months. Upsell number 4, Reseller Rights. Get commission across the entire Simple Affiliate funnel plus 100% across 4 other funnels and commissions across another 3 funnels. Okay. Upsell number 5, Complete Done For You. Complete custom done for you product, including sales pages, members areas, and JV pages, with 3 one-time offers created as well, added to your server and linked to your Warrior Plus account. Downsell number 5. Complete custom done for you product, including sales page, members area, and JV pages, with 2 one-time offers created as well. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. 100% completely done for you. No domains, website, or hosting needed. Perfect for even the most basic newbie. Webinar on how to earn a 6-figure income online. People just like you are making money with this right now. 30-day money-back guarantee. Get Simple Affiliate Machines now and get all the bonuses below. Bonus number 1. Access Aurora Pro, first 24 hours only. Bonus number 2. 3 ways to monetize from CTA bots. Bonus number 4. 40 high-Q lead magnets to build your list. Bonus number 4. Sorry about that one. Access Eclipse. Bonus number 5. All the vendor bonuses. Click the button below now to claim your free Insane bonus package before the countdown timer hits 0. Instant bonus delivery. Your bonuses will be delivered automatically. You'll find them next to your purchase files in Warrior Plus. Just click the button above to get started. Thanks for taking the time to check out my review and bonus. To your success. This is Kemp Rosser and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.